Hi, welcome to BTBS. This is Jay. Today I will show you how to restore single ETCD using snapshot. This test environment is Openshift version 3.11 that use static pod for ETCD. The most process is the same as ETCD version 2, but the biggest different thing is this ETCD is using container. Hence, the way to stop ETCD and the way to execute ETCD commands line is different. Let's begin. One of ETCD is down, so I will recover that. For that, I will execute command line on two different nodes. One is for the target ETCD member, and the other one in here, 49, that where ETCD member is running well. First thing, I need to export ETCD member. Then export ETCD members. Now we need to check ETCD member list. There are 3, and one of them is down, so I will remove that. So ETCD member that is already down is removed from cluster. Let's make sure. Okay, now we need to go to target node. The target node is 181. From here, first we need to stop ETCD. This is static pod, so we need to move that ETCD pod YAML file to the other folder. Then we will remove ETCD data folder. Then we will recover SE Linux. Then we need to update etcd conf file. I will copy this line and I will remove the other 2 members. So it has only one IP address. It's like one single member. I delete the other one here. After that, I need to update etcd initial cluster state to new. Okay, save it. I back up this file and I edited etcd force new cluster true to this configuration file. Then I will start up. Okay, then check it out. So our 181 ETCD is running now. It's 5 seconds ago. And try again. Right, so let's take a look at health. So 181 is healthy. Now we will stop it. Then I will remove the configuration file and I will roll back the previous backup data to here. And start up. Okay, it is creating. It's running. So our ETCD is starting up, is recovered that. However, it is new cluster. We need to make it join to the previous cluster. For that, I need to stop it. So we need hostname of target ETCD. Copy and paste here, new ETCD and IP address 10.10.181.165. Copy, paste here, IP. That's it. So now we need to go back to 49. Then we will copy this command line. Then I will execute it. So now it is registered. I will back to the target ETCD. And then open the configuration file. And then delete this one and uncomment and change that initial cluster state to existing. We will remove member list and then change ownership of the folder. Okay. Now it's time to start up. Then it will join to the previous cluster. So give a little time. And then check it out. So looks like it's running, but we need to make sure it is running and data synchronized. For that, I will check endpoint health and endpoint status. So ETCD are healthy. And what about data? As you see, all data is synchronized. So the ETCD 181 member is recovered. That's it. Thank you.